Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add to bookmark in Duckduckgo browser. How to add website to bookmark in the Google browser. Now this is my Duckduckgo browser and I want to use the browser and I want to add to bookmark this particular GeForce Experience website, this one. So what you do is, you see here where you put in the name, the address. Over here you see a mark, just simply click on it. Bookmark added. Then you can also decide to add it to your favorite by turning this on. By marking, if you don't want to, just mark it. The location is bookmark and you click on save. It's as simple as that. That is how to add bookmarks on Duckduckgo. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.